So over here, you can see that I have a report, and if you want to have a scheduled email delivery of the report, then you can set that out over here on the share area by clicking on the down arrow icon right here. And here you can see schedule email delivery is an option. Once you click on this, what happens is that the delivery option opens up right here, and you can add in additional recipients as well besides yourself. So I'm going to go around right here and type in, let's say for example, tututube at outlook.com right here. And you can customize the email subject and message as well. So let's see, for example, I can say something like weekly report right here, just like this. So I can go around, and you can go around and select out the pages you want to be reported. And here you can see that you can schedule it out into, let's say, for example, 8 a.m. right here next day. And you can also you can see that you can choose the time right here. And you can repeat this daily or on a custom basis right here. Like let's say, for example, every 4 days right here and so forth. You can also select daily right here. And once you're happy with the setting, you can go around and click on schedule. But over here, let me just correct this. And I'm just going to go around and say, let's say weekly on Thursday right here, and then click on schedule. So once I do that, what happens is that an email will be scheduled, and you will get an email of the report, that is the updated report, on every day that you actually chose around over here on the schedule email delivery settings. So that is how you can schedule email delivery inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.